Here's a genius way to start your Airbnb business without properties on Airbnb at all. You can offer a message automation service for hectic hosts. Most hosts don't have automation in place, and that's why they're not getting booked. So you need to do 3 things right now. Go to Airbnb and do your market research. Search for Airbnb listings in your area that their calendars are open, meaning they're not getting booked, they're not making money. Second, contact these Airbnb hosts and see if you get an immediate message. If you got a message within 60 seconds, it means they have automation in place. You need to search for hosts that you don't get an answer for at least 30 minutes. These hosts need help with the communication. You can offer them a service to do their message sequence and also support them with communication. This is the most hectic thing that Airbnb hosts have to deal with, and you can lift it off their shoulders for a monthly fee. It can be $100 a month, and you can add as many listings as you want. They will continue manage their listings, but you just lift off all the communication off their shoulders. 10 listings like that, and you have $1,000 a month without having to put even a listing on Airbnb. And if you want to grab my automation message scripts on my profile, check it out.